Hey guys, in this video, I want to get you up to speed on GoPro's mobile editing app, which is called the Quik App. Since GoPro changed the name of their mobile editing app over from the GoPro app to Quik, I've had so many questions from my viewers. In this video, I'm going to answer those questions and show you all of the new features of the Quik App. So GoPro has changed the name of their app several times. What GoPro is trying to do here with the latest GoPro Quik App is to provide an app that you can use to control your GoPro and change your settings, as well as transfer your footage over to your phone or tablet, and create video edits. What they also tried to do with this version of the app is to incorporate other footage from your phone or other cameras that you've used to be able to incorporate that footage into your videos. I'm going to show you the latest updates to get you up to speed on what's true and what's not true about using the Quik App. Just to introduce myself, my name is Jordan Hetrick. I'm the author of books about how to use GoPro cameras, and I also have video courses that teach you the full spectrum of what you need to know to create amazing content with your GoPro. So check out the links in the video description below if you're interested in really taking your footage to the next level. The first question I'm going to answer is, do you need to use the GoPro Quik App? No, you don't need to use the GoPro Quik App. You can film on your GoPro, you can transfer everything over to a computer, and you can edit all your footage on a computer. If you want to transfer your footage over from your GoPro to your phone or tablet, using the GoPro Quik App is the easiest way to do it. So I would definitely recommend using the GoPro Quik App at least for that. Second, how much is the GoPro Quik App to use? There are three pricing levels when it comes to using the Quik App. There's the free access, which is also called the trial access, but you can use this continuously, and I'm going to show you what it includes. Then there's access to the Quik App if you're a GoPro subscriber, and this is one of the perks of the GoPro subscriber membership. And the third option is to sign up just for full access to the Quik App, which is cheaper, gives you all of the premium editing tools and cloud storage, so I'll show you that too. So with the free access to the GoPro Quik App, you can connect your GoPro camera to your phone so you can control the settings, you can do updates, you can see a live view. Unfortunately, the ProTune settings have been taken out of the GoPro Quik App, so most of the settings are available through the Quik App, but not the ProTune settings. I talk about those a lot more in my course or my books if you don't know what those are, but they're pretty useful to change the look and feel of your videos and photos. So it's kind of a bummer that those were taken out. Using the free version, you can also access all the media that's on your camera's micro SD card and transfer it over to your phone or your tablet. So you can edit photos and videos on your phone and tablet and share them from there. So I'm using the free version of the Quik App here. I've got my camera connected and I'm downloading some files over to the media library on the Quik App. So you can see that it's free to use, and I'm just wanting to show you that because a lot of people think that you have to pay to use even the basic features. So you can download as many photos and videos as you want from your GoPro onto your phone or tablet until your phone or tablet fills up, or you transfer them over and put them on some other cloud storage, for example. If you're using the free version, you can edit as many single photos and videos as you want using the Quik App, and you get access to most of the tools. Where it's limited is if you want to create multi-clip edits, so you want to create little video edits, you're only allowed to create 2 of those using the free version of the app. Also, if you find you like the Mural feature, which I'm going to show you, you can only create 5 Mural events, and after that you need to sign up for either a GoPro subscription or sign up for the GoPro Quik App. So if you're a GoPro subscriber, and I assume a lot of you are because GoPro is giving away subscription plans, so if you have the subscription, you can get all of the premium features of the Quik App. You can also upload your footage to the cloud storage. And what's really cool is you can actually upload anything that you've saved onto your phone. You can import into the GoPro app and save to this unlimited cloud storage. So we'll check that out in a minute too. If you tap on the Try It Free, you can see all the pricing options for subscribing to GoPro or just subscribing to the Quik App. So if you're not a subscriber yet and you want to subscribe, it's about $50 a year. Those prices could change, but right now it's $50 a year if you subscribe here through the Quik App. If you want to just subscribe to Quik, it's $10 for the year or $2 a month. But that's just going to give you the premium editing tools. So you can decide when you watch this video if those are for you or if you need those. So if you haven't already downloaded GoPro Quik App, you can just go into the App Store or Google Play, search for GoPro Quik, and download the app. You can download it and get the free access like I just mentioned. Once you get to the home page of the Quik App, you're going to see a few icons, and you can still do pretty much everything for free here, even without an account. If you're a subscriber, when you get to the home page of the Quik App, you can tap on that little person icon in the top left corner, and you can sign in to your account to get all the premium features of the Quik App. So you can tap on that icon in the top right corner to connect your camera. That's going to allow you to see through your camera's lens as a remote viewfinder. And you can also use it to transfer your footage over and save it here to the Quik App. So if you tap on that icon, it's just going to prompt you to connect your GoPro. In this video, I just want to get you guys up to date on what's new and what's true with the Quik app. But if you want to learn more about connecting your camera, I'll put a video here that shows you how to connect your camera. I'll also put a link to a video that I created before about using the GoPro app to use as a remote viewfinder to change your settings and to transfer your footage. And all of that information is still applicable, so you can go watch that video if you need help with those aspects of using the Quik app. But in this video, I just want to keep going and show you what's new and what you can do with this app that has changed. Now let me show you what features have been added to the Quik app since they changed it over from the GoPro app. So if you tap on the bottom right, that's going to go over to your media library. I'm not going to go there yet because I want to show you Mural. Now Mural is a new feature that they added with the Quik app. So if you're using the free version of the app, this is where you're going to be limited because you can only create 5 Mural events before you need to sign up for a subscription. So if you tap on Try Mural, it's going to give you some prompts on how to set this up. What Mural is a private feed, so it's just stored on your phone. Nobody else is going to see it, but it allows you to save files from your GoPro camera, from your phone's footage, or from any other photos or videos that you've saved onto your phone in your photo library. You can save those over to the Quik app. It's going to save them in one spot and allow you to create automatic edits using all of that media. So then just tap on this media icon in the bottom right. It's going to take you over here where your media library is. If you tap on that check mark at the top right, it's going to allow you to select multiple files. So you can select multiple files that you want to bring into a Mural event. I'm just going to select a few, and then you can tap on this bottom left icon to send the selection to Mural as an event. If you tap on the bottom right one, that's going to create an automatic video edit straight from here. But I'm going to go ahead and add it to the Mural as an event. So tap that icon there, add it to the Mural, give it a title. I'll just call it Beach Day, save details. And now you've got your shots here. It's going to create an automatic video edit. Those are just photos, so it's going to create more like a slideshow. But I would add some more GoPro videos to it and some more video, and then it's going to make it look a little better. So if you tap on that event, it's going to take you over to the automatic edit that it created. Or you can tap this little icon with the 3 dots here, and that's going to allow you to change the details here. I'm just going to do cancel. If you want to add more footage to that Mural event, tap on the media icon on the bottom right. Then you can select more media that you've downloaded from files in the app, from cloud storage if you're a GoPro subscriber, from your phone, and not from the edits. Those are the finished video edits. Any footage that you've downloaded from your GoPro is automatically going to go into the app media library. So it'll be under this tab here. So once you're in the source that you want to go to, just tap on the check mark in the top right. Then you can select multiple files again. So you want to add more to that event. You just go like this, and then click on the Mural icon, and it's going to allow you to choose which event you want to add it to. What's nice too is if you have duplicates, it's going to skip it and not add it to that event. Another important thing to take note of is that as you transfer files and add them to your Mural, so far as our technology advances, this might change, but so far you can't add photo bursts, 4K, 4:3 videos, or 360 videos to the Mural events. You can still add them to the media gallery and edit them from within there. They just can't be added to the Mural for those automatic edits. So another really cool feature that's been added with the changeover to the Quik app is, as I showed you can import photos and videos from your phone's photo library. Or if you have other footage that you've recorded, you can also import those. Now if you open up one of those files, if you tap on it in the media library there, then you can actually take a frame grab from a video that was shot with your phone, for example, and get it at full resolution. Now this is a lot better than getting a screenshot because you're going to get higher resolution files. And say you want to crop in on it for Instagram or something to create a square photo, you can get the full resolution and not really lose quality. So it's nice to be able to work with that larger file. And when you take a screenshot, it's just going to be the phone's resolution, and you're going to lose some of that video quality depending on how you recorded it. What's also cool is if you are a GoPro subscriber, you can upload any footage that you save to the GoPro app to cloud storage. So you can have all of your footage saved actually from other cameras. As long as you have it in the Quik app, you can upload it to the cloud storage and have a backup of it there. And GoPro has unlimited cloud storage, so you can save as much as you want. If you want to edit an individual photo or video, just tap on that icon in the media library, and it's going to open up some editing tools. It's going to give you an option to either use the editing icon. That's going to open up an array of editing tools depending on whether it's a photo or video. Or you can also tap on the director cut icon down there, and that's going to let you start to create a multi-clip video edit with it. So video editing is also where it's very limited. If you're using the free version of the Quik app, you can only create 2 multi-clip video edits. So that's really a bummer because it only gives you a chance to try out 2 edits, and then you need to subscribe after that. You can edit as many single clips as you want and export those and put them together in another video editor if Quik isn't the one for you. So once you tap to go edit a video, the Quik app's probably going to prompt you to upgrade to get the premium editing tool. Now so far, the premium editing tools include a speed ramp, which is the ability to change speeds within a single clip. So you can go from regular speed to super slow motion and back to regular speed, or from slow motion to even slower motion. That's the premium editing tool that they're talking about that you can't access if you're using this free version. So to do that, you just open up a single clip or edit a clip within this timeline here, and you can just change the speeds at certain points. You can also add a freeze frame. So at a certain point in the video, if you just want to pause it basically for a second, you can do that here within the editing window. So it's a pretty cool tool. With the free version, you can go and you can change the speed of a single clip, but you can't change the speed multiple times within the clip. So when you're in the video editor on Quik, GoPro added some more themes, which give your videos an overall look and feel, as well as some more filters and some more music tracks. With the free version, you can use some of these, but there's a few reserved for the people who are GoPro subscribers or if you subscribe to Quik on its own. You can also use the Quik app to add gauges and stickers to your videos, so that's a great way to use the GPS if you recorded with GPS to add some stickers onto your footage. And unfortunately, they got rid of the desktop Quik app, so you can't do it on the desktop anymore. So this is the best way to get gauges and stickers onto your footage. If you want to edit photos and videos that are on your photo library in your phone, you can edit them directly in the Quik app, even when they're still in your phone's photo library. So you just go over to the tab here that says phone, and you can access the media there. Another huge benefit of being able to access those photo and video files that are in your phone's photo library is if you didn't transfer your GoPro footage over from your GoPro's microSD card directly into the Quik app, you can still access those files and edit them with your other GoPro clips. So now if you had them on your computer, for example, you could just share them over to your phone, add them to the photo library, bring them into the Quik app and mix them with other GoPro clips or other video clips and create a nice little short video edit within Quik from there. So that's a huge advantage. If you're really excited about creating amazing photos and videos, be sure to check out the link in the video description for the GoPro Masterclass. You can also check out my books for everything you need to know about your GoPro and creating amazing content. I know the Quik app can be a little confusing and also a little misleading, thinking that you have to pay for it. But I hope that I cleared that up for you guys and gave you some good tips to use the new updates to your advantage. If there are any questions that you still have that I didn't answer, please leave them down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos, and until then, have fun.